Atención señores, el presidente de Sudáfrica exige la liberación inmediata del presidente Nicolás Maduro, que fue secuestrado ilegalmente por los Estados Unidos y también ha secuestrado a su esposa, causando así en Venezuela muertes y daños.
It is our commitment to international law and the United Nations Charter that informs our deep concern and action of the United States in Venezuela, which has undermined the territorial integrity and sovereignty of a UN member state called Venezuela. We reject utterly the actions that the United States has embarked upon and stand with the people of Venezuela. And we demand the release of President Maduro and his wife as well. We reiterate our call for decisive action by the United Nations Security Council to fulfill its mandate and advance peace and security and uphold the rule of law. The National Executive Committee of the African National Congress yesterday issued a clear statement and a call rejecting what has been done in Venezuela and calling upon the immediate release of President Maduro. It is the principles of equality and justice